Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about conservation. Conservation is the act of consuming natural resources responsibly and carefully so they will be available in the long term. There are multiple reasons for conserving organisms from extinction. The first one is biodiversity. In nature, different species are connected through various food webs. The disappearance of one species could influence several others down the line. The loss of an animal that isn't especially important economically or culturally could unexpectedly affect a type of animal that is. So widespread wildlife conservation is a general preventative measure for unforeseen problems. The second reason is agriculture. Promoting wildlife conservation could help secure future food supplies. Diversity in agriculture makes food supplies less vulnerable to disease. Individual crops can suffer different diseases while an entire field of just one crop could succumb to a single blight. The third reason is research. There may be many undiscovered plants and animals in the wild. It is important to maintain ecosystems and biodiversity for the sake of plants that provide substances used in both the pharmaceutical industry and traditional medicine. The fourth reason is ecotourism. According to the African Wildlife Foundation, providing tourists with the chance to see African animals within their habitat has been a stimulus for economies within Africa. Education is the fifth reason. Studying animals and their habitats can be a valuable learning experience for students of all ages. Failures in wildlife conservation may leave teachers with fewer educational resources. The sixth and final reason is psychological benefits. Wildlife diversity has a broad appeal. The psychological benefits of the biodiversity for humans can be difficult to measure, but they are also difficult to dismiss. Ecotourists experience a tremendous sense of wonder, contentment, and fulfillment from their wildlife encounters. This raises questions of what failed wildlife conservation's efforts and significant loss of species could mean for human psychology. Losing species today due to poaching or taking up natural environment can have a tremendous effect on the ecology and people around the world. This is why animal conservation efforts are being applied extensively worldwide.